Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Workspace emails with Vault exports, full guide step by step clearly. To backup Google Workspace emails using Vault exports, begin by signing into your Google Workspace account. Navigate to the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com. Once there, locate the Apps section. Under Apps, select Google Workspace. Next, choose Google Vault from the list of services. If prompted, enter your administrative credentials. In the Google Vault interface, click on Matters on the left sidebar. To create a new matter, click on the Create button. Give your new matter a relevant name and description to easily identify it. Once your matter is created, click on it to open. Next, locate the search option in the left sidebar. In the search interface, select Gmail to specify the type of data you want to backup. Set your search parameters, such as date range or specific email addresses. Using the filters, narrow down your search results according to your backup needs. Once your parameters are set, click the Search button. Your search results will now appear on the screen. Review the results to ensure they encompass the data you wish to backup. After confirming, select the Export option available in the toolbar. A new window will open to configure your export settings. Here, choose the format for your export, typically MBOX. You may also select the options to include attachments if necessary. Once the settings are customized to your liking, click Create Export. The export process will now begin, which may take a few minutes. You will be notified once the export is complete via email. To retrieve your backup, return to the Vault interface under the Exports section. Here, you will find your recent export listed. Click on the export to download the backup file. For security, ensure you store the backup file in a secure location. Review the contents of the backup file to confirm the data integrity. Keep track of your backup dates to schedule future exports as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.